Hey, what is up guys, it's Seku here back with a video, and today guys I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to stream to Twitch using OBS. However, I am going to only show the basics of streaming because otherwise that would just make the video way too long. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So starting off, you guys want to go ahead and create a scene titled streaming just like this. Then in the source section, go ahead and click on display capture, then title it whatever you want, and then select the monitor that you want to screen record. If you have only one monitor, just leave it and click on OK. From there, simply go to settings, then click on stream and select Twitch for these services. Now for the streaming key, for you guys it's probably blank right now because this is your first time streaming, but the reason that OBS automatically hides the streaming key is because once someone has it, they can easily stream anything on your account. So make sure that you keep your streaming key private and that nobody knows it. Now to get your stream key, you want to first head to twitch.tv and click on the slider on your profile, then click on dashboard, click channel, click show stream key, and finally click I understand, and there it should show your stream key. Now if your stream key ever gets leaked or stolen like how mine is being right now, you can literally just click on reset and you'll have a brand new stream key. So after that, go ahead and copy the stream key and go ahead and just paste it in OBS in the stream key box, and make sure to click apply in the bottom. Finally, just to make sure that you can stream with audio, go to settings, audio, and select your desktop audio device to whatever your desktop audio is coming off of. So for example, right now my headphones are plugged in, and so if I was to play a game or something, I would then select headphones if I'm streaming. If you're still not sure, since some of the names can be confusing, then click on the audio icon in your taskbar, and whatever is showing at the top will be your desktop audio device. Then for the mic, go ahead and select your current microphone that you're using, click apply, and then it should be good to go. And lastly, go back to the dashboard on Twitch, and on the stream information section, you can go ahead and change the stream's title and all this other good stuff. After you have done all that, go ahead and click on start streaming on OBS. On the dashboard again, you should actually be able to see your stream right away. However, some latency should be expected, which means that the stream will usually be about 10 to 20 seconds off of what you're actually doing. If you can't hear anything, it's most likely because you have the audio symbol muted. Simply unmute it and you should be good to go. If you still can't hear it, you go back to OBS and see if the mic frequency is changing or not. If it's not, there's probably something wrong with your mic, or if you forgot to hit apply. So just check that. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful in any way, make sure to leave a like, and if you would like to see more tech tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. And that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys all next week.